Hello crochet friends, welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear and we have finished the head and we got his little eyes on. So we're going to put that part aside and we're going to get started on the body today. So same yarn here and the same 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. We're going to start ourselves out with a magic circle. So we're going to yarn over our hand and we're going to cross and yarn over again. We're going to go under the first strand, grab that second and pull it up on the shank of our hook, okay? And then we're going to give it a little chain one. So yarn over and pull through for a chain one. Okay, for round one, we're going to do 6 single crochets inside that loop. So enter, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Enter again, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. That's 2. This is 3, all single crochets. And 4, 5, one more after this, okay, 6, there we go. 6 single crochets inside our magic circle. Give that tail a little tug there, okay? Just to, oops, I think I am missing a strand here. I may be going back. Let's take a look. That didn't look right, did it? No, okay, I need one more. Looks like I didn't pick up all my little strands. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I've got 6 now. We need everybody on there. All right, round 2, we're increasing. So we're not joining again. We're going to keep working in that continuous round. So grab a little scrap of yarn if you need it. I do, just so I know where my beginning is. So let's do our increases. We're going to go into the front loop of our first stitch right there, and we're going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. They are all single crochets, and now we're going to go into the whole stitch. There we go, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. So now we have 2. So we're going to go into the next stitch, front loop only, enter, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. And then the whole stitch. So we're going to do this the whole way around. We had 6 stitches, so we will have 12. Okay, so this is a nice increase on our work. Front loop, and then on our next stitch, and then the whole stitch, okay? So keep going until you have all of these increases, and you're up to your marker with your 12 stitches. Here we go. That is my last one. I'm going to move up my marker. Make sure that you have 12 stitches on your work. So let's give it a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, I have 12. I hope you do too. Let's move up our marker here and let's go on to round 3. Round 3 is a repeat. We are going to do a single crochet in the first stitch and then an increase. And we're going to do this 6 times. We'll have 18 stitches on our work. So we're going to go into our first stitch and we're going to give that just 1 single crochet. So we're going into that whole stitch there, okay? All right, then the next stitch becomes our increase. So front loop, single crochet, and whole stitch, single crochet. And we're repeating that around. Okay, so next stitch, single crochet, and then increase, front loop, single crochet, and then whole stitch, single crochet. Okay, so we're going to keep doing that all the way around. Like I said, we'll have 18 stitches by the time we are done with round 3. And now I'm on my increase. And then whole stitch. Okay, keep going with that. Get to your marker and you'll hopefully we're going to have 18 stitches, okay? Here we go. All right, this is my last one. It's my whole stitch on the increase, okay? And I'm moving up my marker. That is the end of round 3, okay? Now moving on to round 4. Okay, we have 18 stitches right now. And we're going to do another little repeat and increase. Round 4 is 2 single crochets. So first stitch gets a single crochet. And then the second stitch gets a single crochet, okay? and then the third stitch will be your increase. So front loop, single crochet, whole stitch, single crochet. We repeat that all the way around. So one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet, and then your increase. So front loop, single crochet, whole stitch, single crochet. Okay, we're going to have 24 stitches by the time we're done with this round, round 4. So we are really moving along, aren't we? This is excellent. I hope your stitches are going well and everything's working up good today. Every day's a different kind of day, isn't it? Some days I'm crazy tight with my stitches. Some days I'm like loosey-goosey. So take your time. Just keep going along, repeating. One single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. So there's our 2 and then our increase. Go all the way to the marker. You'll have 24 stitches. I'll see you there. Here we go. Okay, that's my increase, and I'm moving up my marker. It's the end of round 4. We're going to go on to 5. We currently have 24 stitches on our work, and for 5 we're also doing a repeat. We're going to do 3 single crochets. So a single crochet in your first stitch, a single crochet in your second stitch, and a single crochet in your third stitch. And then we increase. So this is not as much of an increase as we're going along, right? So there's my front loop single crochet and my whole stitch single crochet. By the time we're done with round 5 here, we're going to have 30 stitches on our work. So here we go. This is one single crochet, next stitch, one single crochet. And then the next stitch, one single crochet and an increase. Okay, so not terrible, I think. We have to build up our work, right? So we need these increases. So we're going along. We have one single crochet, one more time, single crochet, one more time. Okay, so there's your 3 single crochets, and then you do your increase, and you're going to work all the way to your marker, just like you've been doing. All right, and we'll have 30 stitches. Here we go. Okay, here's my increase stitch for round 5, and I'm moving up my marker. I have 30 stitches on my work, okay? So it's getting bigger. It's looking great. I'll pull all this in later on and tuck everybody in. So let's do 6 and just keep trucking along because they're all kind of the same. We're just increasing our number of single crochets. So for 6, we're doing 4 single crochets. So 1, go into your next stitch, 2, next stitch, 3, next stitch, 4, okay? And then you'll do your increase. All right, not terrible. We're doing great with these. Front loop, single crochet, whole stitch, single crochet. Okay, this is round 6, so at the end of round 6, we're going to have 36 stitches on our work, okay? So, 1 single crochet for our repeat, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and 4 single crochet. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, and then an increase. Okay, lots of good single crochets. This is great practice for our attention, for memorizing our stitches, and we repeat again. All right, so keep going with this. You'll have 36 stitches, like I said, on your work. 3 and 4, and then your increase. All right, Keep going. I'll meet you at your marker at the end there, and we'll just see how we look. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm on my increase here for the last stitch. All right, I'm gonna pull out my marker and we'll take a look at how things look here. Okay, pull out my hook too. Okay, this is the end of round 6. So we have 36 stitches on our work. It looks a little like a saucer. Got some blue on there. We don't want blue. We got a nice little light colored bear going on here. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. Count your stitches. Make sure you have 36. And you're ready to go when we meet up next time for round 7. All right, take your time. If you're still working on it, no big deal. Make them nice and neat and beautiful. Take your time and have fun with this, okay? Not a race, right? Not a race. We want to enjoy this process. So that's it for today. That's the end of round 6. We have 36 stitches on our work, and I will see you next time. Thank you, and have a joyful day.